Hello everyone, this is Vineet Bansal, CEO of eDomina Technologies. The most important aspect of technology is that it's a double-edged sword. If used correctly, it can be a blessing for every business or society. It has the power to change us and how businesses run. Technology can help business owners focus on growth and maximize returns on the time and money invested. Today we have many futuristic technologies like automatic cars, robots, drones, but at the same time it has to be safe, practical and scalable, and that people can afford. Technology has the power to transform entire civilization and create a huge impact to society. Today technology can help in asset tracking, 3D printing, along with other AI and ML solutions that can help overcome resource constraints. There are many jobs lost which can be attributed to technology, but at the same time, technology today is redefining the job in the corporate world and every level of society. It is empowering people to be more creative and productive. That is redefining the world. Technology is the biggest catalyst in innovation for tomorrow. We all are living through a digital revolution, be it landlines to smartphones or internet. Today businesses are highly data driven and using AI and ML models, so businesses are able to make informed decisions. Every business is disrupted by technology today, be it in the field of transportation like Ola Uber, entertainment like Netflix, or tourism like Airbnb, Oyo, etc. There are several examples of companies that went out of business like Kodak, Nokia, BlackBerry that did not change with technology. If we look at retail business, e-commerce will account for more than 25% of global retail sale by 2023. There are very powerful tools like Magento, Shopify, etc. to help businesses create their own online shop. Our product Expand ERP on Cloud gives ready out-of-box integration with these technologies so that businesses can set up their online shop overnight and scale up the business. In the manufacturing sector, Internet of Things, IoT, is one of the key features in Industrial Revolution 4.0. Machines have become smarter and are connected with each other. Intelligent factories are generating huge amount of data. With the help of technology like cloud, all data can be captured and analyzed for predictive maintenance and bring down the cost of production, improve product quality by detecting production errors, and increase customer satisfaction. Smart machines are helping to produce 30% faster and about 25% cheaper. The global competitive scenario will get more intense with time, and business that actively leverage technology will have a chance to stay longer. For example, Bosch uses embedded sensors in factory to collect machine data, then in real time analyze it and notify workers for maintenance before a failure happens. This has helped them to increase productivity by 10% and also helps them in timely shipment. Another example is DHL facility in Netherlands. The autonomous mobile robots learn efficient routes in the facility and gives 50% more material picking efficiency, and there is more such examples. So in Expand ERP, employees at every level in the business get powerful tools and the ability to capture data in real time, experiment and analyze data, and automate processes. They can leverage the full potential of cloud technology and get complete visibility of business. In order to successfully use technology in business, you need data security, storage, integration, and analytics with managed services so that you are more focused and on your core business expertise. Today, Expand ERP is helping businesses understand and control inventory and produce based on demand, manage financials for liquidity and cash flow. All these things hugely impact the business. So with this, I highly recommend entrepreneurs and business owners to adopt and harness the right technology and digitally transform their business in order to succeed in the long run. Thank you.